Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Flipboard. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Flipboard and we click here. In this page of app info, we go to first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Flipboard. Then here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by liking.